Hello everyone, this is Ahalya Devi Adapa, studying in Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. My registration number is URK20CS3028. Here is my experimental record work of IoT. Now let's see what was the question is. Connect a ultrasound sensor and rotate a motor for a distance greater than 100 centimeters. Now let's jump into the workplace. Here I have already made the connections. Now let's see what are the components required. Arduino, breadboard, ultrasound sensor, PNP transistor, resistor taken to 220 ohms, diode, and a DC motor. Now let's see how to connect these. First, connect the ultrasound sensor 3 pins. Those are ground to ground pin of Arduino and power point and digital pin of Arduino. Now coming to PNP transistor, connect the first emitter pin to ground and then base to one end of the resistor. Then the third one collector to one end of the diode. Then coming for resistor. The other end is connected to digital pin of the Arduino board. A diode has two ends. One is cathode and the other one is anode. Anode is connected to terminal 1 of DC motor and cathode is connected to power point and power point. The DC second terminal is connected to power point of the Arduino board. These are the connections we have made. Now let's see the coding part. This is the code we have written as per the conditions. We have two functions. One is setup function and the other one is loop function. In setup function, initialization of variables, digital pins, analog pins, etc. takes place here. And in loop, for continuous running of DC motor or any repeated function, the conditions were written in the loop. So these were the conditions. This is the code we had written for this circuit. Before starting, open the serial monitor to observe the object distance. Now let's start simulation. We can observe that the object is at 115 centimeters. So the DC motor was rotating. Now let's decrease the object's distance. We had decreased it to 84 centimeters, which is less than 100. So the DC motor stopped rotating. This is the circuit we had made. Thank you so much.